Hello guys, welcome sa aming channel today. I'm gonna do a prank video of Chris. Chris, I'm gonna I feel nervous. I'm gonna do this because whatever. Hi guys, welcome back sa aming channel. Today I'm gonna do a prank video of Chris. I'm gonna do this because hello guys, welcome sa aming channel. Today I'm gonna do a video prank. Yay! Here's guy, I buy this. It's a blood fake. I ordered this in Lazada and I thought it's a big, but when I received this, it's just small. Look. So I need to Hello guys, welcome back sa aming channel, and today I'm gonna do a video prank. I'm very excited to do this, and let's see if what reaction of Chris. So I order in Lazada. It's a blood fake. Here guys, I'm very disappointed because I thought it's a big package. I mean big pack. But when I received the item, it's just small. Look. So Chris in the upstairs, he's looking to the worker there. So I need to be careful. So I'm excited. Oh my God. Hello guys, welcome back sa aming channel, and today is a video prank. And you know guys, I'm very excited to do this. I know some of our subscribers waiting for the prank video, and I need to careful guys because Chris in upstairs is looking to the build workers there. So I just ordered.
3 days later.
Hello guys, welcome back sa aming channel, and today it is exciting because I'm gonna do a video prank. So I ordered in Lazada. It's a blood fake. Here guys, I'm very disappointed because when I look at it's a big pack, but when I receive, look guys, it's very small. So I need to careful because Chris is on that upstairs. He's looking on to the builders there upstairs. So I need to careful guys. So see you guys later if what's I'm gonna do. I will not tell you what's gonna do, so just watch. Okay guys, I already set up the camera. Hey guys, look, it's very small. So I'm gonna sit down on the floor and I'm just pretend that I'm gonna fold the clothes. Okay guys, so let's wait Chris when he goes down.
I don't know if it's what.
Wants to advance. What?
Advance then.
The House of Lords European Union Committee, they stated fears that the UK-EU Joint Committee lacks transparency or any potential democratic oversight. The UK-EU Joint Committee has the ability to amend the withdrawal agreement unilaterally, while decisions emanating from the group will be legally binding for the UK and the EU. All sounds so scary, doesn't it? Brussels back in charge and all that. But Boris and his team have already been looking ahead at that one, as the withdrawal agreement bill that's just gone to the House of Lords contains 2 clauses that I think neuter that concern. The first, at section 34, makes it clear that only a minister, not a civil servant, only a minister can co-chair the joint committee. And secondly, at section 35, it says that the UK co-chair cannot consent to the joint committee using what is called the written procedure. And it is only that specific written procedure, consented to by both the EU and UK co-chairs, that can put anything binding in place. So once the withdrawal agreement bill becomes law, that joint committee will be a toothless paper tiger. As far as I can see, it will just be a powerless talking shop. Unless the UK Parliament later changes that law, of course. So it's finally happening. The UK will leave the EU treaties at 11 p.m. on the 31st of January 2020. That's just 3 weeks to the day away. And there is now more chance of Jean-Claude Juncker attending an AA meeting or Guy Verhofstadt telling Nigel Farage that he was right all along than there is a chance of Brexit being stopped. And I say let Big Ben peal out its tune to mark the occasion. And failing that, I gather that Brexiteer Tory MP Andrew Bidgen has volunteered to grab a rather large hammer and climb the steps of Elizabeth Tower to bong the big bell himself. But I now have to point out that every single one of the 6 Labour Party leadership contenders voted against this Brexit bill. Presumably they think that no one's watching anymore, but they are. We are. And I assume they're using the excuse that they can't vote for the bill because it isn't full of human rights and workers' rights clauses, etc., that tie us firmly into the EU on the spurious grounds that the UK can't possibly do these things for itself anymore.
Oh shit. Holy shit.
Yes.
We need to go to the doctors now. That's not good. We need to take you to the doctors. Babe, you've got to go to the doctors. You're pissing blood out, you're coughing blood up. Baby. What? Come on, swallow your mouth out. Come on.
Tunay, Mom. I need to cry, guys. Sorry. I just... Let's prank as well my mom. Let's see if what my mom reaction. Dito.
Have you swallowed anything, Mel? That bone or anything?
Ano ka, Be?
She's coughing blood up.
Ha?
Coughing blood.
Sunggo lang yan. Tingnan dyan lang.
Sunggo.
Ano yung sunggo sa musok ko, Ali? Kano?
Taas mo lang ang
Ang kayo mo, be.
Sa muso na abi ali, agong. Mga tao, check up na.
Pati ka patasali sa muso mo, kapay.
Yo, padala na.
Mana?
Kaya.
Sa muso mo. Basta na.
Di mo, di ko mo.
Hindi ko para mo pa yan mag...
Wag kong.
Oh, dali na.
Ma'am, paano nga pagkabagbanay doon? Ambulansya,
Di.
Manay.
Ambulansya daan.
Ambulansya na.
Lalo ka, Ate B.
Di, ano, be?
Ayos ka na, Ate B. Di ka man nararibong. Ate B, di ka man nararibong.
Well, tulog di.
Take those, naman po yung Chris.
Wag. Di, di ko mo ginaro.
Nararibong kami ko sa iyo, Ate B. Hindi ka magduko. Ano rin ka daw sa muso mo nagkarog ka yan?
Lembong.
Maday blood ka.
Baka may kamak niya.
Hindi man na yan, Ate B. Gusto na lang hospital. Hindi man na yung manay.
Kaya mo. Kaya mo.
Ganyan man lang yan.
Kaya mo naman niya ang ikot mo.
Nagingit pa. Pati ba ang balong na si Chris? Nainibad ko nung nag-uugong nag-buarte na ka. Ano?
Daya, daya. Daya, kaya mo.
Pati ka magkakaroon ka ni si Ate Kuya
Kaya,
Chris.
pati ka pang itagos yan.
Ba't nag-buarte na?
Hamal ka ba? Nagkaprang gawan, hamal ka! Pag umayan dugo!
Nag-prank ka!
Ay, dugo! Ay,
Nagtatake pa ng video. Arin! Di pa.
wala kong kera. Kaya na nahiling ko nga ako ang dugo. Pero,
Balong na si Chris. Ayun pala niyo.
Huwag mo laugh na.
wala ka. Wala ka mo naman kami ng dugo.
Hindi ka daw parang kaya dito na si Chris. Ayun pala
Naman
niyo.
yung kumasay mo kung.
Ay, sumasubang ang kaini. Balong siya na nga ni si Chris.
Alam mo kulay pink, tapos itong iniyo.
It's success! Dali ka pa ganit. Para rin yun ang mga... Ilang mo si Chris yun naman ang atake yun.
Sa joke lang.
Okay, Chris, okay na lang. Nag-ibig na si Chris. Anak ka. Wala siya tayo. Nagluluwa-luwa na pa rin si Chris. Nandididil na. Pagkabidil na. Ako na nandito pa ang mamag na inyo.
Chris is crying. I'm sorry. It's just only a prank. I'm sorry. It's just only a prank.
I'm laughing.
Oh, I'm crying. I'm sorry.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.